Oh, hello. Excuse me, ladies. Hello, I'm Jeff Goldblum. So nice to see you. So you got the job at IKEA. Welcome aboard. And now, if I could help in any way, first of all, it's Swedish themed, as you know. I happen to know a phrase in Swedish, prata det svenska. Now you know it. If you listen to me and can repeat that, prata det svenska, it means, do you speak Swedish? And then whatever they say, you say, ja, lite grann. Practice that, ja, lite grann. So if you know those two things, prata det svenska and ja, lite grann, you can at least give the flavor for people who speak Swedish. I have used that many times on people who speak Swedish, and they're always thrilled that, oh, he's speaking Swedish, oh, very good. And if you do that, ja, lite grann, if you can do it that way, they're, oh, you're very good. Anyway, and for people who don't speak Swedish, you're giving them the flavor of, oh, I don't know what he's saying or she's saying, but I guess we're in Sweden land.